This video will explain how to connect this camera. You can use it as a reference. Open App Store. Android users can open Google Play. Search for Wesicu. Download. Finish downloading. Return to the home screen. Open Wesicu. Click Allow. Allow Wesicu to find devices on local networks. Click Register. Click Allow. Allow Location. Click Allow. Allow Track. Choose your own country. Click Next. Put in your email. Select Terms. Then click Register. You could also use cell phone number registration. After registration. Back to login screen. Select your own country. Put in your newly registered account. Select Terms. Click Login. Put in your password. Click Login. Click Allow. Allow Wesicu to find Bluetooth device. Click Allow. Allow notification permission. Close. Now the app preparation is complete. Press down the power button for 3 to 5 seconds. To power on the device,
please configure the network.
You will hear the device beep. When it boots up, the device is now ready. Click Add Device. Wait for searching for nearby devices. Click Add this device. Put in your Wi-Fi password. If this is not your Wi-Fi, click Select Wi-Fi to choose your own Wi-Fi. Click Next. Please confirm the Wi-Fi name and password again. Wait for the connection to complete. Click Allow. Allow microphone permission. You could give the device a name. Click Next. Turn on the two functions. Click Next. Click Next. Click Skip for now. Now the camera has been connected successfully.